भारते तथा अद्यौचन्ति च मध्ये च हरि सर्वत्र गीयते मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदीनतारिणी परमानन्दमाधवं परमानन्द हि माधव पदुंगलुचि मकरंद
परमानन्द हि माधव पदुंगलुचि मकरंद
से मकरंद पान करी आनंदी बोलो हरि हरि
मकरंद पान करी आनंदे बोलो हरि हरि
हरि को नमी बांधवीण हरि को चकडोळा कृष्ण बोली जीव जाऊ
निरंतरे राऊ कृष्ण बोली जीव जाऊ
कृष्ण बोली जाऊ जीव मति उद्धरो राधा धोब धर्म प्रज्जीत कैतवत्रो परम निर्मस्रां सतां वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिपदं तापत्रयन मिलनं श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किंवा परीरीश्वर सद्य हृदय वरुध्य तेऽत्र पृथिवी शुश्रूषुभिः तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरुगलितं फलं शुकमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पीबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुका अनर्थो पशवं साक्षात् भक्ति जोगं अधोक्ष्यते लोकस्या जानतो विध्वंसक्रिये सात्वत संहितां जस्यां वैश्रूयमाणायां कृष्णे परमपुरुषे भक्तिरुत्पद्यते पुंस शोकमोहो भयापहा श्रीमद्भागवतं पुराणममलं यद्वैष्णवानां प्रियं यस्मिन् पारमहंस्यमेकममलं ज्ञानं परं गीयते तत्र ज्ञानो विराग भक्तिसहितं नैष्कर्म्यमाविष्कृतम् तत्शृणन् सुपठन् विचारण परो भक्त्या विमुच्येन अर्थोऽयं ब्रह्मसूत्राणां भारतार्थो विनिर्णयो गायत्री भाष्यरूपसौ वेदार्थ परिगृहीत सर्ववेदेतिहासानं सारं सारं समुद्धृतं सर्ववेदान्तसारं हि श्रीमद्भागवतमिष्यति तद्रसामृततत्त्वस्य नान्यत्र सेल्वते गतिः चारि वेद उपनिषदे যত কিছু হইও চারি বেদ করিল সঞ্চয়
করিল সঞ্চয়
যেই সূত্রে যেই বিষয় বচন
যিশুতে ধেয় বিষয় বাচন
ভাগবতে সেই শ্লোক নিবন্ধন
ভাগবতে সেই শ্লোকানি
জীবের নিস্তার লাগি সূত্র কইল ব্যাস
জীবের নিস্তার লাগি সূত্র কইল ব্যাস
মায়াবাদী ভাষ্য শুনিলে ওই সর্বনাশ
মায়াবাদী ভাষণে হয় সর্বনাশ
যাও ভাগবত পড়ো বৈষ্ণবীর স্থানে যাও
ভাগবত বৈষ্ণবের স্থানে
একান্ত আশ্রয় করো চৈতন্য চরণে
একান্ত আশ্রয় কর চৈতন্য চরণে
ভাগবত যে না মানে সে যবন সম
ভাগবত জেনা মানে সেই জবান
তারও শাস্তা আছে জন্মে জন্মে প্রভু জম
তারো শাস্ত্র আছে জন্মে জন্মে প্রভু জামা
হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে
হরে কৃষ্ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে
কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি রসস্বরূপ শ্রী ভাগবত তাতে বেদশাস্ত্র হইতে পরম মহত্ব শ্রীমদ্ ভাগবতম is the mellow of Krishna bhakti, is the essence of all Vedas, Upanishads or Vedic literatures. Jasyang Vaishriyamana yang Krishni Paramapurushi Bhakti Rutpadetun Saswapamoho Vayapaha. Only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam from the proper source, bona fide Vaishnava, one can very easily develop Krishna Bhakti, as a result of which his material fears, lamentations, and delusions will be completely destroyed forever. ভাগবত যে না মানে সে যবন সম তার শাস্তা আছে জন্মে জন্মে প্রভু জম one who doesn't accept Srimad Bhagavatam is mlecha javan, he is to be punished by Jamarat life after life. যাও ভাগবত পড়ো বৈষ্ণবের স্থানে একান্ত আশ্রয় করো চৈতন্য চরণে go and approach Bhakta Bhagavata Vaishnava and hear Bhagavata or study Bhagavata from him and completely take shelter at the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gives freely prema bhakti. And this prema bhakti is needed to approach Srimad Bhagavatam and understand Srimad Bhagavatam. Because this Bhagavatam is not mere book. It's Krishna Tulya Bhagavato বিভু সর্বাশ্রয় কৃষ্ণ তুল্য
ভাগবত বিভু সর্বাশ্রয়
প্রতি শ্লোকে প্রতি অক্ষরে নানা অর্থ কয়। প্রতি শ্লোকে প্রতি অক্ষরে ভাগবত তুলসী গং গায় ভক্ত জনে ভাগবত চতুর্ধা বিগ্রহ কৃষ্ণ এই চারি সনে চতুর্ধা কৃষ্ণ তুল্য ভাগবত বিভু সর্বাশ্রয় প্রতি শ্লোকে প্রতি অক্ষরে নানা অর্থ কয়। This is not mere book, this is as good as Krishna. As Krishna is Lord Krishna is Vibhu, Supreme Lord. Similarly, Srimad Bhagavatam is also Vibhu, Supreme Lord. As we take shelter of Krishna, similarly we take shelter of Srimad Bhagavatam. Prati shloke, prati akshare, nana artha koi. In every verse, even in every word, even later, many meanings are here. If you want to explain one verse from Srimad Bhagavatam, it will take days together. So many things are here. Because it is as Krishna is unlimited, it is also unlimited. Ananta. Do you understand? ভাগবত তুলসী গঙ্গা ভক্ত জনে চতুর্ধা বিগ্রহ কৃষ্ণ ইচারি সনে। In this material world, these are four manifestations of Krishna. Srimad Bhagavata, Ganga, Tulasi, and Bhakta, Vaishnava Bhagavata. These are four manifestations of Krishna in this material world. So this is such Grantha. This is not mere book, as good as Krishna. It's one the incarnations of Krishna, Bani incarnation of Krishna. As Krishna has many incarnations, this is one of the incarnations. As Krishna incarnations appear and disappear, similarly this incarnation also appears and disappears. Kahar krito noy. Bhagavata kahar krito noy. It says in Chaitanya Bhagavata. It's not written by anybody. Because this is incarnation of Krishna. Matsya Kurmadi Avatar. You see, prakata hoy. As the fish incarnation, tortoise incarnation, Brahman incarnation, innumerable incarnations are there. Similarly, this Bhagavatam is one of the incarnations. As the incarnations appear and disappear, the Bhagavatam is also appear and disappear. Kahar krito noy is not written by anybody. Then how can I see this is written by Bhagavad Vyasdev? Krishna Dvaipayana Vyasa Krutaha is written here. Krishna Dvaipayana Vyasa. How can we account for it? It's not written by anybody. Vrindavan Das Thakur says in Chaitanya Bhagavata, it appears and disappears. How do I account for it? It's confusing. How do I account for it?
Yeah. Literary, Vyasadev's literary incarnation is manifesting people. He's compiling, not writing.
That's a light. What it is, it appears and disappears. When incarnation appears, how does it appear? Accepting father and mother, it appears. Isn't it? Similarly, when Bhagavatam appears, it accepted Vyasdeva, father and mother, and appear. That is what you should understand. This is Tattva. Because all our discourses are based on Tattva. Tattva Vichar, not Apad Vichar. We have two types of Vichar, two types of considerations. One is Apad Vichar, another is Tattva Vichar. Apparent consideration and absolute consideration. And all our discourses, this Vaishnava, Gaudiya Vaishnava Acharya's discourses, are all based on Tattva Vichar, not Apad Vichar. Not Janma Karmam Same Divyam Evam Joviti Tattataha. त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नयति सम्मंगेति Arjuna. Krishna says, in Bhagavad Gita. My birth, my activities are not material. It's transcendental. One who knows it in tattva, in truth, after quitting this body, he'll go to me. Never come down here, no rebirth. No punarjanma, no rebirth. Never come down. So one should understand in tattva. So this should be understood in tattva. Tattva vichar. So one who knows tattva. Jai Krishna tattva beta say guru hoy. Mahaprabhu gave a very simple definition of guru. Isn't it? Simple definition. Kiba vipra, kiba nyasi, sudra kene noy. Jai Krishna tattva beta say guru hoy. One who knows Krishna tattva, he is guru. He may be a sannyasi, he may be a sudra, he may be a vipra, whatever he may be. Doesn't matter. If he knows Krishna tattva, he is guru. You understand? It's tattva. So, this is what you should understand. All right, these are the glorification of Srimad Bhagavatam, because his Vibhu is Supreme Lord, as he glorified Supreme Lord Krishna. Similarly, we glorify Srimad Bhagavatam before approaching, begging his mercy. Without his mercy, we cannot approach. So this is glorification. Granthara Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Now please come to the text. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Srimad Bhagavatam, 4th canto, chapter 4, text 34. तैरलाता युधि सर्वे प्रमत्था सहकुह्यका अन्यमाना दिशुभिजु सद्भि ब्रह्मधीरसा. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. When the Rubhu demigods attacked the ghosts and guhyakas with half-burnt fuel from the Yajna fire, all these attendants of Sati fled in different directions and disappeared. This was possible simply because of Brahma Tejasa, Brahminical power. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. The word Brahma Tejasa used in this verse is significant. In those days, Brahmanas were so powerful that simply by desiring and by chanting a Vedic mantra, they could accomplish very wonderful effects. But in the present age of degradation, there are no such Brahmanas. According to the Pancharatrika system, in this age, the entire population is supposed to consist of Sudras, because the Brahminical culture has been lost. But if anyone displays the science of understanding Krishna consciousness, he should be accepted according to Vaishnava Smriti regulations as a prospective Brahmana and should be given all facilities to achieve the highest perfection. The most magnanimous gift of Lord Chaitanya is that the highest perfection of life is available in this fallen age if one simply adopts the process of chanting Hare Krishna, which is able to bring about the fulfillment of all activities in self-realization. Thus, in the Bhaktivedanta purpose of the 4th canto, 4th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam entitled Sati, who is her body. So, this word Brahma Tejasa is very significant. Bhrigu Muni offered oblations, and the fire, immediately many thousands of demigods named Rubhus became manifested. All of them were powerful, having achieved strength from Soma, the moon. So, the Bhrigu, famous Brahmana, so he had such power, the Brahma Teja. Therefore, these Rubhu demigods attacked the ghost and they are fled. The question is here, who is Brahmana? Who is Brahmana? That is question. Brahma janati Brahmana. One who knows Brahma Vastu, he is Brahmana. If he doesn't know Brahma Vastu, he cannot be called Brahmana. So, next question is a Brahmana born? Is that caste Brahmanas, we say? Brahmana is a caste. Do you understand? 4 Varna divisions are there. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra. Isn't it? And so Brahmana is a Varna caste, Kshatriya is a Varna caste. So in Kali Yuga, we find there are caste Brahmanas. Do you understand? The born in Brahmanical family. And they have this Brahminical thread, Brahma Sutra. But they don't know Brahma Vastu. Brahma Tattva Nadanati Brahma Sutrena Garbita. They say. They don't know Brahma Tattva, but they are very proud of having this Brahma Sutra, this sacred thread. You understand? So Kali Yuga Brahmanas. So Prabhupada has said here, in this degraded age, there are no such Brahmanas. Kalau sarve Sudra Sambhava. In Kali Yuga, all are Sudras. Isn't it? All are Sudras in Kali Yuga. Why? Why? They are caste Brahmanas. And they are very proud of their caste. And they are Brahma Sutra. But they have no Brahminical qualification because they don't know the Brahma Vastu. Brahma Tattva. What is Brahma Tattva? What is Brahma Vastu?
Knowing what is spirit and having the qualities of a Brahman. Knowing what is spirit and having the qualities of a Brahman.
Bruhanatvat. Brahma. Do you understand? Bruha Vastu is Brahma. Is very great. That is Brahma. Do you understand? That means it's absolute truth. It's supreme love. Mahaprabhu came. Who spoke about it? The Mayavadis, followers of Shankaracharya, they were always speaking about Brahma, 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 Brahma. Do you understand? Do you follow? Brahma, Brahma, Brahma. And Tattvamasi. You are that Brahma. I am that Brahma. He is Brahma, a Brahma. Isn't it? They are speaking. But they don't know what is Brahma Tattva. You understand? And they are very puffed up. That we know Brahma Tattva and we are Brahmanas. But Mahaprabhu came defeated. What is that Brahma? वेद पुराणे कहे छोट कथा वेद पुराणे कहे ब्रह्म निरूपण से ब्रह्म बृहत वस्तु ईश्वर लक्षण. Mahaprabhu says, Mahaprabhu is supreme personality of Godhead. Do you understand? From whom Veda comes. He knows that Tattva. Veda पुराणे कहे ब्रह्म निरूपण से ब्रह्म बृहत वस्तु ईश्वर लक्षण. ब्रह्म शब्दे कहे पूर्ण स्वयं भगवान. ब्रह्म
शब्दे कहे स्वयं भगवान.
स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण शास्त्रेरो प्रमाणो. स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण शास्त्रेरो प्रमाणो. That Mahaprabhu says, वेद पुराणे कहे ब्रह्म निरूपण से ब्रह्म बृहत वस्तु ईश्वर लक्षण. That you say Brahma is Ishvara, is Brahad Vastu Brahmanatvat Brahma. Do you understand? ब्रह्म शब्द कहे पूर्ण स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण शास्त्र प्रमाण. शास्त्र says, very literature says, Brahma is Param Brahma, is Swayam Bhagavan, is Krishna. Do you understand? If someone does not know Krishna, how can he become Brahmana? You understand? How can he become Brahmana? That is that. When Kali Yuga, you'll find Kalau Sarvi Sudra Sambhava. Kali Yuga, all are Sudras. No Brahman is there. No Brahman is there. Because they don't know Brahma Vastu. And here Prabhupada said, according to the, yes, but in the present age of degradation, there are no such Brahmanas. According to the Pancharatrika system, in this age, the entire population is supposed to be, supposed to consist of Sudras, because Brahminical culture has been lost. You understand? This is, Kali Yuga, Kali means quarreling, vivada. There are two men, two parties, two groups quarreling. This is Kali. Vivada. Do you understand? Dambha. Pride is the measuring rod in this Kali Yuga. Dambha is mouth-cut, measuring rod. Everybody thinks himself very great, or every group thinks himself very great, then quarrels with the other group is Kali. Kali means quarreling. So in this Kali Yuga is most sinful age, degraded age. All are engaged in sinful activities. The consciousness is polluted. So there is no purity of semen. No purity in this Kali Yuga. So, so-called Brahmanas in Kali Yuga, they have no purity. So they cannot produce Brahmana. So Pancharatrika Vidhi, only by Pancharatric process of purificatory ceremonies, one can become Brahmana, Guru can do it. Therefore, quoting the Shastra, Sanatana Goswami in Hari Bhakti Vilas, Asuddha Sudra Kalpahi Brahmana Kalisambhava Tesang Agamargena Sudhirna Sautavartmana. Isn't it? Sanatana Goswami quotes this in Hari Bhakti Vilas. Asuddha Sudra Kalpa. The Brahmana Kalisambhava. The Brahmanas in Kali Yuga are all Sudras. They have no purity. You understand? All are polluted. Tesang Agamargena Sudhirna Sautavartmana. Therefore, they have no right to perform Brahminical sacrifices or Brahminical activities because they are not Brahmanas at all. They have no purity. They cannot utter perfectly a Vedic mantra and give test. You understand? The Dhruva Muni, other processes are recommended in Kali Yuga. So we follow Vaishnavas, followers of Srimad Mahaprabhu's Pancharatrika Vidhi, and our all purificatory ceremonies are performed as Pancharatrika Vidhi. My Guru Maharaj, revered spiritual master Srila Prabhupada says, we are making Brahmanas. We are making Brahmanas. Nobody is born Brahman. Do you understand? Guna karma vibhagasa. Isn't it? Chaturvanya maya srustam guna karma vibhagasa. If someone acquires Brahminical qualities and naturally acts like Brahmana, is natural, swabhavik, then he'll become Brahmana. Na jonir napi sanskaro na srutam na tasantati. Karanani vidattasya dhrutameva tu karanam. Sarvayam brahmana loke bhrutena tu vidhiyate. Bhrute sthitastu sudropi brahmanatvam nijachadi. Mahabharata. In Mahabharata, Anusasanika Parva, this has been said. Bharata is not Brahman. Do you understand? Vedadhyana, Vedic study, someone will study Veda, that I study Veda, so I am Brahman. No such thing. Santati, with children are not Brahmanas. It's nothing. These are not the causes of Brahmana. Only Dhrutameva tu karanam. If he naturally acts as a Brahmana, that is the Brahman, Dhruti, profession. What is that? It is natural. How will it be? In Gita it is, Bhagavad Gita it says. In whom the sattva guna, the mode of goodness predominates, is natural Brahmana. Isn't it? Natural Brahmana. What Gita says. Samadama tapasaucham khanti arjavam yevachaha jnana vijnanu astikyam brahma karma swabhavajam. It's swabhavajam. It is natural. In whom this sattva guna predominates, naturally he will do this thing. Do you understand? Sama, dama, saucham, khanti, arjavam. Arjavam means simplicity. Do you understand? And he controls his mind and senses. Do you understand? He is always suchi means clean. Sauchachara sthita. Do you understand? And he astikya, he believes in the existence of the Lord. Jnana, vijnana, he knows all these things. His swabhava is quite natural. So Brute Devata. Sarvam Brahmana Loke Brute no tu vijayate. Brute stitastu sudropi Brahmana tu nijachati. If a person born in Sudra family, but he develops this quality, Brahminical quality, if in him this sattva guna, mode of goodness, develops and predominates, he becomes natural Brahmana. His birth is not Brahmana. Again, it is also said, in Kali Yuga, in Varaha Purana says, in Kali Yuga, the Brahmanas, the Rakshasas, the demons of other Yugas, they are born as Brahmanas in Kali Yuga. Rakshasa Kalingasritaya Jayante Brahmajonishu. Utpanna Brahmana Kule Badhanti Sotriyan Krisa. Varaha Purana says. The demons in other Yugas are born as Brahmanas, caste Brahmanas in Kali Yuga. And they are always persecuting these sadhus. Do you understand? Srautavalambolambi. Those who come in hearing process, they persecute them. They trouble them, these Brahmanas. Kali Yuga Brahmanas. You go to Dham, you find such Brahmanas are there sitting with you. Brahma Sutram, Brahma Tattva Nodanati, Brahma Sutra. They don't know Brahma Tattva, but they are very puffed up with this Brahma Sutra. Don't you know who am I? I'll curse you. Your whole family, your whole dynasty will be destroyed. Give me money, feed me. So I'll bless you. I'll give blessings all your forefathers. Such Brahmanas you'll find. They understand. If you won't give, then they're abusing words they use. This Sotriyan Kusan, Badhanti, Sotriyan Kusan. They'll put you in such trouble, you see, harass you so much. And this is a Brahman. In Chaitanya Bhagavata also, Vrindavan Thakur has quoted this. Ei sakalo rakhyoso brahmano namo matro. Ei
sakala rakhyoso brahmano namo matra.
Ei sabo lokajamo jato naro pato. Ei sabo Kali Yuge Rakshasa Kolo Vipro Ghori. Kali
Yuge Rakshasa
Janmibe ko sujaniro hinsa koribare. Janmibe ko esab viprera sparso kotha namaskaro. सर्वथानी सेध करिबारो
ধর্মরাত্রে সর্বকানি
सेध
করিবার
चैतन्य भागवत वृंदावन ठाकुर said, এই সব রাক্ষস ব্রাহ্মণ নাম মাত্র সব লোক জমযাতনা মাত্র। All these রাক্ষসas, demons are brahmanas in Kali Yuga. Do you understand? This would be punished by Jamaraj, জমযাতনা। কলিযুগে রাক্ষস সকল বিপ্র ঘরে জন্মিবে সুজনের হিংসা করিবার। The demons of other ages will born as brahmanas in Kali Yuga in Brahman family in order to persecute, trouble the sujanas, sajjanas. এ সব বিপ্রের স্পর্শ কথা নমস্কার ধর্মশাস্ত্র। Don't touch those brahmanas. Don't talk with them. Don't pay obeisances to those brahmanas because they are all rakshasas. They are not brahmanas. They don't deserve it. Dharmasastra says, Dharmasastra says, don't do it. Who is the real Sudra? Kalu sarve Sudra sambhava. So who is the real Sudra?
Mr. Wilson.
Huh? Yes, bolo. Bolo, bolo. Huh? Mahabharata Salya Prabhu says, Hinsanruta priyalubdha sarva karmopajivina Krishna saucha paribhrashtaste duija sudratangataha sarva bhakhyar ratir nityam sarva karmo kara asuchi tyakta vedastonachara savai sudra iti smrita. Do you follow? This is Sudra. Mahabharata says, Salya Parva. That means, who is envious? Hinsa. He is Sudra. Who tells lies? He is Sudra. Mithya bhashana. Who is a very greedy person? He is Sudra. Lobha. Who can do any work to maintain, to earn his livelihood? Even he can sell wine, he can sell beef here, a Brahmana. Isn't it? To earn livelihood. He sells beef, he sells wine, isn't it? And he's born in Brahman family. But he's Sudra. He can adopt take up any occupation to maintain his livelihood. He's Sudra. And he's always unclean. He can eat anything. He can eat stool. He can drink liquor. He drinks liquor. Wine. It's beef. Isn't it? That is Sudra. And he never follows Veda Dharma, Vedic regulations, violates everything. He never is asadachari, is not sadachari, he never follows regulatory principles. That is Sudra. You understand? This is the definition of Sudra. Sat Kali Yuga people, they do these things, they call Sarve Sudra Sambhava. Therefore it says, Kalo Sarve Sudra Sambhava. In Kali Yuga, all are Sudras because they do all these things. Isn't it? They are all Sudras. Only by Pancharatrika Vidhi, Sanskara, one becomes Brahmana, that is Paramarthika Brahmana. If someone becomes a Vaishnava, he is a perfect Brahmana. Jatha kanchanatang jati kansyam rasavidhanata. Tada dikhya vidhanena dijatam jayati nrinam. Isn't it? What do you say in English? This famous verse. The bell metal is turned into gold. How? By special some chemical reactions. The bell metal is turned into gold. Similarly, diksha vidhanena, this Vaishnava diksha, Pancharatric diksha vidhana, a person becomes Vipra, Dvija, Brahmana. Do you understand? No other way is there. Process is there in Kali Yuga. This is what. Therefore, my Guru Maharaj says, we are making Brahmanas. All are Sudras, and we are making Brahmanas. Do you understand? And one symptom of how long can I speak? No time restrictions. That's all. That's it. Ah. That is said. Also again, it's said in which Padma Puran. What will happen? This prophecy has been given. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra, Papa Parayana. Nijachara vihinascha bhavishyanti kalau juge. This is prophecy given in Padma Puran 5,000 years ago. This will happen in Kali Yuga. Vipra veda vihinascha pratigraha parayana. Atyanto kamina krura bhavishyanti kalau juge. Veda ninda karostaiva dyuta chaurjya karasthatha. Vidhava sangaluddhascha bhavishyanti kalau juge. Nrutyartham brahmana kechid mahakapata dharmina. Raktambara bhavishyanti jatila smrasudharina. Kalau juge bhavishyanti brahmana sudra dharmina. You follow? This Padma Purana says. This prophecy given 5,000 years. Vyasadeva has written in Kali Yuga, the Vipra Veda Vihinascha. These so-called Brahmanas will never follow Vedic regulations. Do you understand? They will never follow Veda Vihina. Pratigraha Parayana. Only they are very greedy persons. I say they are very puffed up and proud because of their Brahma Sutra. If they hear something, oh, some person has come and giving, feeding Brahmanas and giving some donation, they run there. Do you understand? So only, Bhodane Nutyanti Vipra. Oh yes, Brahman Bhodan is there. They dance. Oh, all right, nice Bhodan will be available. Go there. They go there, big bellies, so much eating, then donation. Dakshina. Is Dakshina. You understand? If you pay some less, they'll abuse you. You're asking, what are you giving? Don't you know I am Brahman? I'll curse you. All your fathers who go to hell, you along with you. This is Pratigraha Parayana, only for getting this. Eating and getting some dakshina, they are Brahman in Kali Yuga. Atyanta kamina krura bhavishanti kalau juge. They are very lusty persons, very cruel persons. Such Kali Yuga Brahmanas. Veda ninda karastaiva dvita chaurjya karasthatha. They don't follow Vedas. Rather they blaspheme Vedas. Do you understand? And they are always engaged in this gambling. Do you understand? Dhyuta Krida, gambling. You have not seen, it is west, it is not here. But we see there. Brahmana Sasana is there. That means a village is there. Only Brahmanas stay there, live there. Other person not allowed. And in front of their houses, you'll find one raised platform is there. It's a chowpadi. Chowpadi, yes. What do you say? Rectangular. Raised platform is there. That's chowpadi. Just in front of their house. Those Brahmanas, they eat, what is the bhanga? Bhanga. They eat it. They drink it. That's intoxication. And sit down there and play dice. Dice. And that system is Brahminical culture. They will give marriage to their daughters before they attain puberty. Do you understand my language? Puberty. And they give marriage. If by chance the husband dies, when the girl attains puberty, the husband died. Do you understand? Then what to do? No remarriage, very strict. There will be no remarriage. Then she remains. Now she attained puberty, but no, husband had died. She cannot marry, so remain widow for life. So these Brahmanas, they start vidhava sangalubdhas, they rape it, they rape her. That is, they are doing, yes. This Padma Puran says, in Kali Yuga, Brahmanas, Swaka Brahmanas do this thing, and this is going on. This is going on, yes. Bhavishyanti will be, Bhavishyanti Kalaudi Ja in Kali Yuga, Swaka Brahmanas will be like that. Padma Puran says, Vrityartham Brahmana Kechid Mahakapata Dharmina. Only for earning some livelihood, Vritti, they have become Brahmana. But very crooked persons, Mahakapata Dharmina. Raktambara Bhavishyanti Jatilas Masudhai. And you find those Brahmanas put on red clothes and having beards and Rudraksha Mala. You'll find some Brahmanas. It's called Brahmana. Kalau Juge Bhavishanti, Brahmana, Sudra Dharmina. They call it Brahmana, they are all Sudra. Do you understand? So who is Brahmana in Mahabharata Shanti Parva says, Jata karmadi bhirjastu sanskari sanskrita suchihi vedadhyana sampanna sarsu karma subasthita sauchachara sthita samyak vigasasi guru priya nitya prati satya para savai brahmana uchyate. Do you understand? Mahabharata. Shanti Parva says, who is Brahmana? Who has undergone these 10 purificatory ceremonies, beginning from Garbhadhana to Upanayana. Do you understand? Garbhadhana to Upanayana, 10 Vedic purificatory ceremonies. Do you know? Huh? Sanskara, we say sanskara. Dasavidha sanskara. 10 Vedic purificatory ceremonies. Huh? Do you follow? Huh? Do you follow? Hello, yes? All 10? Huh? Do you follow all 10? Huh? Huh? Beginning from Garbhadhana to Upanayana. Huh? Beginning from Garbhadhana to Upanayana, 10 purificatory ceremonies are there. And so Brahmanas, those who are Brahmanas, they follow it. Do you understand? They follow it. What are those 10? Huh? Who can say? Huh? Yes? Yes? Sudakarana. Namakarana. Yes. Garbhadhana. First is Garbhadhana. Then second is Punsavana. Third one is Simantonayana. Fourth one Jatakarma. When child is born. That people says Jatakarma. Then Niskramana, fifth one. Sixth one is Namakarana, name giving. And seventh one is Paustika Karma. Then eighth one is Annaprasana, first time takes grain. Annaprasana. And ninth one is Chudakarana, 7, 8, and 10th one is Upanayana. Initiation. Do you understand? These are 10 Vedic purificatory ceremonies. Those are Brahmanas, they undergo this 10 purificatory ceremonies, sanskar. Do you understand? First one is Garbhadhana. Do you understand? Garbhadhana. Conception. Purificatory ceremony and perform. Time conception. Garbhadhana. That is it. Jata karmadi sanskara. Sanskruta suchihi. He is clean. Saucha. And then Guru Samyak Uchishta Bhoji. He takes the remnants of Guru. Is Guru Priya. He is very dear to Guru. Nitya Brata Parayana. He has accepted both and strictly follow, keeps it up. Do you understand? Brata Parayana Satyanishta. He is very truthful. Never tells lie. One who tells lie is Sudra. Do you understand? This is Brahmana. Do you understand? There is one Upanishad. It said, one story is there. In Chandogya Upanishad. To follow. In Chandogya Upanishad, there is a story. One boy came to Gautama Muni and begged for initiation. To follow. Then Gautama Muni asked him, Tang hovacha kingotra tu soumyasiti. Tang hovacha kingotra nu soumyasiti. Then Gautama Muni asked, what is your gotra? Do you know what is gotra?
Family line.
Gotra is determined from the line of the father. That means who is your father? And which line your father comes. And this is Rusikula, in line of Rishis. You understand? They come under the line of Rishis. Kasyapa, Gautama, Vasishtha, like so many Rishis are there. You understand? So accordingly, these gotras are determined. Someone is Kasyapa Gotra, someone is Bharadwaja Gotra, someone is Gautama Gotra. You understand? Vasishtha Gotra. This is Gotras. You understand? It's determined the line of the father. And these Brahmanas, they are known as Rusikula Jata. They come in the line of Rishis. And these Gotras are said Chuta Gotra. Do you follow? Chuta Gotra. Chuta means fallible. In English you say fallible. Gotras are fallible. But when one becomes Vaishnava, being purified by Pancharatma Vidhi, accepting a Vaishnava Guru, do you understand? His Gotra is Achyuta Gotra, infallible. Achyuta Gotra, Achyuta Gotra. Do you understand? They belong to Achyuta Gotra. We Vaishnavas belong to Achyuta Gotra. Do you understand? So, Gautama Muni asked, what is your Gotra? That means, who is your father? In what line he comes? Then he said, Naho me tad veda bho jadigatraham asmi. Aprathu matarang sama pratyabadid bahudam charanti parichani jovane tvang labhe. Sahu etad no veda jadigatrastamasi. Javalatu nama amasmi satyakamana tumsiti. Swaham satyakama javalasmi bhoiti. Then that boy said, I don't know. I don't know. What is my gotra? That means I don't know who is my father. Do you follow me? Nah. Once I had asked my mother, because mother knows the father. Who can tell about father? Mother is the authority. Huh? So once I had asked my father, and my mother. But my mother said, when she was young, she was a prostitute. Do you follow me? Huh? She was a prostitute. That means many male persons had enjoyed her. So it cannot be determined who is my father. My mother said, no, it cannot be determined who is your father. Huh? So what is my gotra? Cannot be determined. Do you understand? My mother said that that mother's name is Javala and my name is Satyakama. So two names combined is Satyakama Javala. Do you follow me? He said, my name is Satyakama Javala. I have just learned this thing, nothing else. Do you understand? Then Gautama Muni said, you are Brahmana. Do you follow? Then Gautama Muni said, you are Brahmana. How he said? Tang hovacha naitad brahmana vibhaktu marati samidam samyahara upatva nese na satyadagaiti. How could Gautama Muni say that you are Brahmana? Huh? Because he spoke the truth fearlessly. Do you understand? Spoke the truth fearlessly. Nobody can say that I have no father. I don't know who is my father. And nobody will say that my mother is a prostitute. He will hide it. Isn't it? But that boy spoke fearlessly, this thing. Do you understand? Then Gautama said, you are Brahmana. That is Satyavrata, Satyanish. That is one of the symptoms of Brahmana, who carelessly speaks truth. Yes, you are Brahmana. Otherwise, nobody could have said such truth carelessly. You go, take bath, and collect samhita. Come, I will give you initiation. You follow me? This Brahmana, this Chandogya Upanishad, you will find that one of the Nitya Brati Satyaparaha Savai Brahmana Uchyate. His Brahmana is truthful. That's one of the symptoms. And you will also find in many, many cases, this Bhav is not Brahmana. That is Pramana, Shruti Pramana. Vedic proof is there. Tatra Jatyantara Jaspusu Aneka Jati Sambhava Mahasyo Bhava. Mahasyo Bhava Santihi Rusya Srunga Mrugya Kausika Kusat Jambuko Jambukat Balmiko Balmikat Vyasa Kaivartika Nyayam Sasapusthata Gautama Vasishta Urvasyang Agastya Kalasya iti jata iti Sutapa. In Shruti Veda you find these are famous Brahmanas. Do you understand? But if you analyze their birth, you see what? This Rishyasrunga, Rishyasrunga Muni is a famous Brahmana. But he was born from a deer. He was born from a deer. Muruhi. So how can you say that birth is the Brahman? Similarly, Kausika Muni, Kausika Rusi is a famous Brahman. Well, from where is he born? He is born from Kusa grass. So it's Brahman. And also, Jambuka Rishi. You understand? Jambuka Rishi is a famous Rishi. It's all Vedic, famous. They know Vedas. It's a famous Brahman. He was born from Jambuka. Jambuka, what do you say in English?
The seashell.
Seashells. Do you understand? He was born from it. It's Jambuka Rishi is Brahman. And Valmiki was born an ant hill. From an ant hill. Valmiki, Maharishi, wrote Ramayana. Famous Brahman. Do you understand? And Vyasa is Vyasa, Vyasdev. Do you understand? Who came and wrote all these Vedas, Puranas? Isn't it? For Kali Yuga in book form. He is born from Kaivarti Kanya. His mother, his father is Parasara. Isn't it? Father is Parasara Muni, but mother is daughter of a fisherman. Kaivarti Kanya. Fisherman's daughter. As Vyasa. And Gautama is Gautama Muni. He is a famous Brahma. He is born from a hare. Sasaprushta. Do you understand? And Vasishtha is born from Urvasi, the heavenly prostitute. Do you understand? Is a famous Brahma. And also Agastya Muni. Is famous Brahman. He is born from a water pot. Do you understand? In this way, you analyze famous Brahmans, their birth is from such low places, low persons or places, something. But they have become Brahman. Because the birth is not Brahman. Do you understand? One who really acquires the Brahminical qualities, what I said, if someone can develop at least Sattva Guna, do you understand? Then it's a natural Brahmana. Natural Brahmana. Janma karma. Chaturvanya maya sustam. Guna karma vibhagasa. That's what Gita says, is guna karma vibhagasa. it is not birth, it is nothing else, that one becomes Brahma. If someone acquires these Brahminical qualities and naturally acts like a Brahmana because of this predominance of Sattva-guna, that's natural Brahmana. Then one become Brahmana. Do you understand? Kalan sarve Sudra Sambhava, in Kali Yuga all are Sudras, because of this Pancharatrika Vidhi, one becomes Brahman, accepts the Vaishnava Guru, and Guru perform this purificatory ceremony, Pancharatrika Vidhi, makes Brahman. Therefore, our liberal spiritual masters, professor, we are making Brahmanas. All Sudras becoming Brahmanas, yes. Two types of Brahmanas are there. One is Swabhav Siddha Brahmana, another is Jati Brahmana, caste Brahmana, and one is natural Brahmana. Do you understand? And who is caste Brahmana, who is natural Brahmana? You understood. Therefore, in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad it is said, the opposite word of Brahmana is what? Kripana. Brahmana, Kripana. Do you understand? Who is Brahmana, who is Kripana? That Brihadaranyaka Upanishad says, Tameva dhiro vijñāyo pragyang kurvita brahmana. You follow? Tameva dhiro vijñāyo pragyang kurvita brahmana. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad says, that means, who is Brahmagya Purusha, who knows Brahma Tattva, who knows Bhagavad Tattva, Bhagavad Swarup, what is the real form of Bhagavan, knows it completely well, and develops prema bhakti, is Brahmana. Do you understand? Brihadaranyaka Upanishad says. Again Brihadaranyaka Upanishad says, who is Brahmana, who is Kripana? Jo va etadakhyangagya viditva asman lokat prayati sakrupana. Kripana. Jo etadakhyangagya viditva asman lokat prayati sa Brahmana. Srila Prabhupada has quoted this verse in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Do you understand? Second chapter, you'll find this verse. Srila Prabhupada has quoted from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, that verse. What is that verse in second chapter? Arjuna said, Karpanya doso pahata sabhago pruchami tang dharma samudachita jasriyam vadanistityam sishyateham sadhimam tam prapannam. This verse, you see. In purport, Prabhupada has quoted this. Karpanya dosa means, I am affected by this Karpanya dosa, Kripan. I am not Brahman. So who is Kripan, who is Brahman? Prabhupada quoted this verse. Jo ayatadaksharangargya vidyatva asman lokat praiti sa kripana. Jo ayatadaksharangargya vidyatva asman lokat praiti sa brahmana. You understand what Gargi? One who, without knowing that achyuta vastu, infallible Lord, and lives this world, is kripana. You follow? Is kripana. And one who, knowing that achyuta vastu, that infallible Lord, lives this world, is Brahman. You understand this? Brahman and Kripana. In Manusangita says, Jo anadhitya dijo vedamanyatra kruche samam sajivanneva sudratang asugatsati sannaya. Manusangita says, do you follow? Dija or Brahmana after Upanayana. Upanayana means taking up initiation. After Upanayana, if he doesn't study Veda under the guidance of Guru, and leaves Guru's ashram and engages himself some materialistic activities, you understand? He becomes Sudra. Whole family, all the descendants will be Sudra. You understand? Is Sudra. So, in Shvetasvatara Upanishad it is said, Jasya deve para bhaktir jatha deve tatha guru tasyaite kathitayata prakasasti mahatmana. You understand? One was developed para bhakti, supreme bhakti, unto Supreme Lord as well as Guru. Guru. Do you understand? This Vedic truth is revealed to him. He is really perfect Vaishnava Brahmana. When someone becomes Vaishnava, he becomes perfect Brahmana. You understand? He becomes perfect Brahmana. Perfect Brahmana. In fourth canto Srimad Bhagavatam, in Prithu Charita, you'll find Maharaj Prithu was ruling the whole world. A very strong ruler. Do you understand? Who could milk the earth, isn't it? It's very powerful. Sarvatra Skalita Desa Sapta Deepeka Dandadrup Annatra Brahmana Kular Annatra Chuta Gotrataha. It is said. His administration, he was completing his ruling, his administration over everybody except Brahmanas and Vaishnavas. They were not coming under his administration. There is no. He says, Annatra Brahmana Kulat, Annatra Achyuta Gotrata. Achyuta Gotra, Vaishnava. So between Brahman and Vaishnava, when someone becomes Vaishnava, accepts Vaishnava Guru, and becomes Vaishnava and is initiated by this mantra, he becomes perfect Brahmana, Paramarthika Brahmana. Is Paramarthika Brahmana, he becomes Chuta Gotriya. Otherwise, so-called Brahmana, he becomes Achyuta Gotriya when someone becomes Vaishnava. Otherwise, so-called Brahmana is Chuta Gotriya. You understand? So this is our conclusion, that in Kali Yuga, there are no Brahmanas, that all are Shudras, because if they will accept Vaishnava Guru, especially this Gaudiya Vaishnava, follower of Mahaprabhu, and be initiated and purified through this purificatory ceremony, Pancharatrika Vidhi, becomes Vaishnava, he becomes perfect Brahmana. You understand? Vaishnava is perfect Brahmana. Otherwise, without Vaishnava Diksha, so-called Brahmana is not perfect. So-called Brahmana is not perfect. That one should understand it. And here it says, Prabhupada Maharaj says, but if anyone displays the signs of understanding Krishna consciousness, he should be accepted according to Vaishnava Shruti regulations as a perfect Brahmana and should be given all facilities to achieve the highest perfection. Yes. Aho vatsopataji garyan jahagre vartati namatubhyam tepu tapaste juhu sasnur arja namagunam brahmanucho namagunanti jeti. You understand? Kapilati Bhavati, Sambhav third canto, Devotee says, that Prabhupada has given a hint here. The most magnanimous gift of Lord Chaitanya is that the highest perfection of life is available in this fallen age if one simply adopts the process of chanting Hare Krishna, which is able to bring about the fulfillment of all activities and self-realization. It's completely surrendered to holy name. Do you understand? Nameka sanatva. Haranam, nameva kevalam. Kalau nasteva, gatiram natha. Kali Yuga, there is no other God. No other way. Haranameva kevalam only. Text of Harinam. Aho vat supatati garyanta jvagre vartate namatubhyam tepu tapaste juhuvu sasma arja brahmanurcha nama gunanti jete. Devotee says, oh Lord, on the tips of, on whose tongue your holy name dances. Do you follow me? He has gotten everything. He may be born in Chandal family. Do you understand? He becomes Guru. Garya. Do you understand? He becomes Guru. Aho bata sopatati garyanta jihagre vartate namatubhyam. Your holy name dances on the tip of his tongue. He has gotten everything. Tepu tapaste. He has gotten the result of undergoing severe austerities and penances. No more penance and austerity, isn't it? No more tapasya. He has gotten the result of undergoing tapasya. Do you understand? Jat tapasyasi kaunteya tat gurusva madarpanam, isn't it? Krishna says, if you want to undergo some tapasya, then undergo tapasya for me, for my pleasure. Do you understand? Someone standing completely self surrendered unto the holy name, he has gotten Krishna. Then what is the need of tapasya? Tata king. Aradhito jadi hari tapasa tata king. Naradhito jadi hari tapasa tata king. Antarvahi jadi hari tapasa tata king. Nantarvahi jadi hari tapasa tata king. Narda Pancharatma says. Aradhito jadi hari tapasa tata king. Naradhito jadi hari tapasa tata king. If Lord Hari is worshipped, what is the need of tapasya? Because the aim of tapasya, the goal of tapasya is to get Lord Hari and to worship Him. Isn't it? If Lord Hari is worshipped, then what is the need of tapasya? Tata king. Naradhita Hari tapasya, tata king. If Lord Hari is not worshipped, and someone is undergoing tapasya, then what is the need of tapasya? Do you follow me? Antarvahi jadi hari tapasya, tata king. Nantarvahi jadi hari tapasya, tata king. If someone sees Lord Hari within and without, then what is the need of tapasya? Do you understand? Nantarvahi jadi hari tapasya, tata king. If someone cannot see Lord Hari within and without, then what is the need of tapasya? Do you understand? The one was completely taken center of holy name, always engaged in chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. That means, your Lord, your holy name is dancing on the tip of his tongue. He has gotten all the results of tapasya. No need of undergoing any tapasya on his part. Tepu tapaste. Juhubu. He has gotten the result of performing all Vedic sacrifices. Do you understand? He is performing the best type of sacrifice, Nam Yajna. Do you understand? Especially in Kali Yuga, no other sacrifice, Vedic yajnas are recommended. Only one yajna. Harinam yajna. So, for him, there is no need of performing any yajna. He has gotten the results of performing all yajna. Yeah, already performed. Te putapaste, juhu sasno. Do you understand? For him, there is no need of going to any tirtha, place of pilgrimage. Do you understand? Holy place and have a dip there. He has already gotten it. One who is chanting this holy name, Sasnur. Arya. He is Arya. He is not an Arya. He is Aryan. He is non-Aryan. Because all his purificatory ceremonies have been performed. Do you understand? He is already purified. Arya. Sanskrita Suchi. Tepu tapaste juhubu sasnu arja brahmanuju. That means he has gotten all the knowledge of Vedas. Do you understand? All the knowledge. Nama because holy name is everything. Holy name is everything. Abhinnatang namo namino. Isn't it? Abhinnatang namo namino. There is no difference between the holy name of the Lord and Lord himself. And name is the highest thing, last thing of all Vedas. Do you understand? Madhurang madhurang mitan mangalang mangalanang sakala nigama bali sataphalam chitswarupam. Sakala nigama bali sataphalam chitswarupam. This nigama means Vedic, Veda. If Veda, all Vedas become tree, then this holy name of Krishna is the last fruit of Vedic tree. Do you understand? Last fruit of the Vedic tree. Phalam. Mangalam mangalanam, madhuram madhuram etam, mangalam mangalanam. This is sweeter than the sweetest and more auspicious than the most auspicious Krishna Nama. Do you understand? He has got one who is chanting this Krishna Nama, he has got everything. That Prabhupada Maharaj said, the most magnanimous gift of Lord Chaitanya is that the highest perfection life is available. This fallen age, if one simply adopts process of chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, which is able to bring about the fulfillment of all the activities in self-realization. Do you understand? One was completely taken shelter of the holy name under the guidance of a perfect Brahman, I will say Vaishnava Guru, dear devotee, Gaura Priyajana, Mahaprabhu, Gauranga, he has got everything. In Adi Purana it is said, this name is everything. Nanama sadrusam jnanam, nanama sadrusam vratam, nanama sadrusam dhyanam, nanama sadrusam phalam, nanama sadrusam tyago, nanama sadrusam sama, nanama sadrusam punyam, nanama sadrusi gatihi, nameva parama muktir, nameva parama gatihi, nameva parama santihi, nameva parama sthitihi, nameva parama bhaktihi, nameva parama matihi, nameva parama pritihi, nameva parama smritihi, nameva karanam jantar, nameva prabhureva cha, nameva paramaradhyo, nameva paramo guru. What is not? Name is everything. That means there is no knowledge, religious vow, meditation, or any other attainment that is equal to or superior to this holy name, Krishna. Do you understand? Neither renunciation, control of mind, any meritorious deed, nor highest aspiration is equal to or higher than this holy name of Krishna. It is the holy name only that is the highest form of mukti. Nameva parama mukti. It is the holy name alone, the ultimate end in life. You follow? Resort to the holy name alone yields the highest kind of peace. Resort to the holy name alone is the abiding welfare. Resort to the holy name alone is the highest devotion. Recourse to the holy name alone is the ultimate end of knowledge. Attachment to the holy name alone is the highest love. Recollection of the holy name alone is the true remembrance. The name alone is the root cause of all beings, and the name alone is the sole master. And the holy name alone is the highest object of worship, and the holy name alone the highest amongst of all spiritual masters. That is everything. Do you understand? Haranam, 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 eva keva. Kalau nasti, va nasti, va nasti, va keva. Kali juga there is no other way, no other way, no other way. Holy name, mukhya pathe jiva pai Krishna premadana. The chief result of chanting this. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Is Krishna prema. Niraparade nam loile pae premadana. If your chanting is offenseless, this pure name is Krishna prema, that is Krishna. Who gets Krishna? Who gets Krishna is everything. Then, is Krishna. So in Kali Yuga, no other way. The one who says, he is perfect Brahmana. He is perfect Brahmana. Do you understand? Yes. Hadas Thakur was born in Mohammedan family, isn't it? Very low family, Mohammedan family. But Mahaprabhu made him Namacharya. Day and night, 24 hours chanting names. Always. No sleeping, no eating. Absorbed Nama Prema, isn't it? When Aditacharya Thakur performed his father's Shraddha ceremony, you do know Shraddha? Death anniversary, Shraddha ceremony, he invited Hardas Thakur and gave him Shraddha Patra, feed it. Do you understand? And this is Vedic regulation, principle, that the person will invite some brahmanas and feed them on that day, Shraddha day. Do you understand? Perform Shraddha ceremony. So, Aditacharya Thakur invited only Das Thakur. He didn't invite any other brahmana. Aditacharya is brahmana, and living in a brahmana village. Hardas Thakur says, oh, you are inviting me. I am Lecha. I am Jabo. I am born in Mohammedan family. You will be excommunicated. The Brahmanas, your Brahmanas, will excommunicate. Brahmana society will excommunicate you. Don't you? Aditacharya says, no, just what Shastra says I do. তুমি ভোজন করিলে হয় কোটি ব্রাহ্মণ ভোজন. If you only eat, then crores of brahmanas will be fed. Do you understand? Koti brahmana bhojan. This Shastra says. Because you are perfect Vaishnava. All the chanting day and night, 24 hours. You are absorbed in chanting holy name, absorbed in Nama Prema. Is testing the Nama Mruta, the nectarian mellow emanating from holy name. You are always testing and absorbed in it. Which spirit do you? Is there any Brahman? তুমি ভোজন করিলে হয় কোটি ব্রাহ্মণ ভোজন. If you will be fed, then 40 crores of brahmanas are fed. Therefore, I invite you or give this thing. I am not afraid of these brahmanas. Let them excommunicate me. I am not afraid. I do what Shastra says. The Shastra says. So he did it. So this is real Brahman. If you really chant his pure name, holy name, then you can also manifest such Brahma Teja, that Bhrigu Muni. But a Vaishnava is Tunadapi Sunicheva, he is not Padma. He is much humbler than a blade of grass. He doesn't show off this thing. Do you understand? He thinks he's the lowest of the low. Taroriva Saisnuna Amani Manava. He never demands respect, pays respect to one and all. He is very humble, but humble, sober, humble, not puffed up. Do you understand? But he has some teja, Brahma Teja. But he never displayed it. Never. Do you understand? That is the perfect plan. Thank you. So, any question? Yes?
Roger, you mentioned a series of different famous Brahmins and sages
Yes.
and some reference to their birth. So if you could just tell a little bit of the history of each one.
It's the Vasudev.
That one we know. The other one?
Valmiki wrote Ramayana. Do you understand? Who wrote Ramayana, Valmiki, he was a hunter. Killing. Do you understand? Murdering. He was a murderer. Murdering is a great plunderer, great murderer.
Not a bandit.
Bandit. He was such a person. You understand? So, Narada Muni came, isn't it? What are you doing? You are doing this thing, engaged all these sinful activities. What do you know what is the result? Like this, Murugari Vyadho, the same thing. Then when sadhu says, Mahatma appears sadhu, then it's the potential one. Do it all. What is the reaction? How many lakhs, innumerable baths you suffer like this. in the hell. Oh, then what is the way out? Yes, chant if you can chant holy name of the Lord. Then other simple reactions will be start knowing. Simple name is chant Ram, but he couldn't chant Ram. It's so simple that he couldn't utter the name of Ram. You see? No, he couldn't utter. He couldn't utter the name of Ram. Then Nardaman said, all right, in a reverse way you chant Mora. Ram, Mora. And chant it continuously. Ram, 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 Ram. Mora, Ra, again, Mo is there, it becomes Ra. Do you understand? It took him 60,000 years. 60,000 years. He became an anthill. Became an anthill. But chanted Ram, 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 Ram. Until chanting Ram, 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 make it completely purified. Then from anthill come out Valmiki Muni. He was killing, so cruel-hearted. His name was Ratnakara. His Dasya, great bandit, robber, murderer. Do you understand? Now becomes great Rishi Brahman. Came out, and when he came out of that anthill, he saw another hunter is killing a Krauncha Mithuna. Krauncha, you say? Crane. Crane.
It's a bar.
Crane. A big, long beak, long legs, white bar. Crane. Mithuna means couple. Do you understand? They are engaged in copulation. Krauncha Mithuna. And yes, of Duskruti, no? Miscreant. No Sukruti he had. Do you understand? The only Sukruti he received by the mercy of Narada Muni. Do you understand? That's the only Sukruti. But in previous birth, there was no Sukruti at all. So it took so long time. But Dhruva, Sukruti, from his previous birth. So in this time, he developed. Yes, that is what. And there are three types of Sukruti: Karmamukhi Sukruti, Jnanamukhi Sukruti, Bhaktinamukhi Sukruti. Three types of Sukruti. Those who do perform pious activities, they acquire Karmamukhi Sukruti. Do you understand? And those who do Jnana Sadhana, you understand, Jnanis, they achieve Jnanamukhi Sukruti. The what do you say? Goal of Karmamukhi Sukruti is material enjoyment. They will be headed to heavenly planets and get demigod's body and kalpa ayusha. Lifespan is one kalpa and have immense material pleasure enjoyment there. You understand? That is there.